Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine. Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to share a very beautiful design ideas of how you can design your dresses, kurti, shirts, kameez, kalidar suits, kalidar frocks, peplum, blouse, that could be of sari blouse, lehenga or any type of top that you are going to wear. Guys, the concept of today's video is about some formal dress designing that is onto a very heavy and sleek fabric. That is, you can use these very beautiful embroideries, simple and easy to make embroidery patterns onto silk specifically and onto velvet, because silk and velvet are the fabrics that give formal touch and a creative, beautiful look. So if you are going to a party or you're going to a formal event or you are planning to go for a formal event, then these design ideas are absolutely for you. You can make them more beautiful, more creative, more formal and more fancy with the use of beads, pearls and sequins as well. So I hope that you are liking the concepts, the ideas and the creativity. So if you want to get more creative ideas or this video is not up to the mark as per your expectations of design, then no need to worry about. We have massive thousands of design ideas onto our channel. Explore the different playlists onto which different categories have been chosen and make an ease for our customers, our clients, our YouTube friends and family members, our viewers as well. So enjoy the articles, designs, and creative opinions. Up till then, take care. Stay tuned for the more new and latest upcoming videos. So, guys, hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new upcoming videos. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave comments below so that we could get to know what you want and what you like or dislike about our content.